When it comes to planning for retirement, one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is the Roth IRA, especially when you're looking for tax-free retirement income. If you're an American retiree, you've probably heard a lot about Roth IRAs, but how exactly can they help you maximize your retirement savings and create a reliable source of tax-free income? Stick with me and I'll break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute money that has already been taxed. This is different from other retirement accounts like the traditional IRA, where your contributions are made pre-tax, meaning they reduce your taxable income today, but you'll have to pay taxes on them when you withdraw. But with a Roth IRA, as long as you follow the rules, all your withdrawals, whether it's from your initial contributions or the investment earnings, are completely tax-free. This is huge for retirees because it gives you a way to access your money without worrying about how much the IRS is going to take. But here's the thing. Roth IRAs aren't just about tax-free withdrawals. They also offer a level of flexibility that can be a game changer for your retirement planning. For instance, you don't have to start withdrawing from your Roth IRA at 72 like you do with other retirement accounts. You can leave that money to grow for as long as you want, giving your investments more time to compound and grow without tax penalties eating into your returns. Now, I know many of you may be wondering if a Roth IRA is the best option for you, especially if you've been using other retirement accounts like a traditional IRA or a 401k. Here's where the Roth IRA really shines. With other retirement accounts, you're required to pay taxes on your withdrawals, which can reduce the amount you actually get to keep in retirement. But with the Roth IRA, that money is already yours, and you don't have to share it with the IRS when you take it out. That makes it an incredibly attractive option for anyone looking to make their money last longer and go further in retirement. But, and here's the big catch, not everyone is eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. There are income limits, which means if you earn too much, you can't make direct contributions. However, there's a workaround called the backdoor Roth IRA. This involves contributing to a traditional IRA and then converting that money to a Roth IRA. It's a strategy many high-income earners use to still take advantage of the Roth IRA's benefits. If you want to learn more about how this works, make sure to click the first link in the description below. I've got a free gold IRA guide there as well that explains how thousands of Americans are protecting their wealth by using gold IRAs, something you definitely don't want to miss if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks. Now, let's get into something that many retirees overlook, your investment choices within a Roth IRA. You don't just have to hold cash or low-interest savings in your Roth IRA. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate. This flexibility gives you the potential to grow your savings far beyond what traditional savings accounts can provide. But you want to make sure your portfolio is properly diversified, especially when you're trying to create tax-free income for the long term. And while other investment options like traditional IRAs or 401ks may offer tax deferral, they still require you to pay taxes when you start withdrawing money. This can result in a substantial tax bill later in life. On the other hand, the Roth IRA allows your money to grow completely tax-free, which is why it's often considered the best option for retirees. If you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I know if the Roth IRA is right for me? Let me just say this. If you're a retiree with over 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even have 5 men plus in savings, a Roth IRA can be a game changer for you. It's a great way to secure tax-free income and avoid future tax headaches. But here's something I don't want you to miss. Many retirees are also diversifying their wealth into gold IRAs, which can be a perfect complement to a Roth IRA. Gold IRAs offer protection against inflation and market volatility, ensuring that your retirement savings are safe no matter what happens to the stock market. If you want to learn more about why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs, click the link in the description to get your free guide and consultation. In conclusion, using a Roth IRA for tax-free retirement income is one of the smartest moves you can make as a retiree. It allows you to grow your wealth without the constant worry of taxes eating into your savings. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to enjoy a reliable stream of tax-free income in your golden years. So, if you've got over 100K in your retirement accounts or even more than $5 in savings, a Roth IRA is something you definitely need to consider as part of your retirement strategy. Don't forget to check out the free Gold IRA guide linked below. It's perfect for retirees looking to protect their wealth and secure a bright financial future.